Mama, what is inside it?
This is the saree. This is Maharashtra's special paithanisaree. Yes. You know which color is this? Are you going to guess?
Yes.
Okay, which color?
Blue.
No.
Pink.
No.
Orange.
No.
Green.
No.
Blue.
You already said blue.
Green. Orange.
No.
Red.
Yeah. Let's see. Is it which color is this? You need to stay away from the scissors. Yeah.
Is it red, Mommy?
We need to, when we open, we'll get to know that, isn't it?
Yeah, because we don't know.
Oh, it's a surprise.
Yeah, it's a surprise. Because
Oh
they
my
don't.
God.
Because
It's
we
a
don't
really
know.
too much packing.
It's really hard to put.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Ma-
how long
Akka.
will it take?
Akka, Chaitanya.
I'm a brave girl.
Okay.
We don't know which one it could be.
Oh my
It's
God.
an orange
So the
bag.
master views.
The mushroom US.
Views.
White!
Mm,
White!
no, it's not. It's
Aditi,
a
can you
bag.
move aside?
It's modern.
Okay.
Your saree is beautiful, Mommy.
This is not the color of my sari, honey.
Oh, then where is it? Red! It's red, Mommy.
Yeah, it is.
I'm Mama guess.
Well, this is the old
There's
town.
parrots, Mommy.
Yeah, they are.
Chicas and everything.
Chilakas and everything.
That
Yes.
bird. And peacocks.
See, what do we have?
Parrots.
Yeah, and a peacock and a parrot and a peacock.
It's funny. How did you get this saree from, Mommy?
I got it from the person who weaved it, you know?
What?
Mm.
The peacock is purple and blue and green and red. How did you pick up?
Nice. Do you like it, Adi?
Yes, Mommy.
Yay.
Mommy, these flowers beautiful as well.
Uh-huh.
Every flowers and every parrot and everything.